iBloodPressure Plus is the easiest and simplest way to take an accurate measurement of your blood pressure. Once you have taken your reading, your results will be automatically sent back to your healthcare provider or care team in real time. Setting up the iBloodPressure Plus is simple. To set up your device, firmly insert the air plug on the end of the tube connected to the arm cuff into the air jack found on the left side of your device. Before taking your first reading, decide if you are user 1 or user 2. It's important to always use the same user button for consistency, as each button keeps track of your testing history in the device's memory. Going forward, pressing your assigned user button will turn on the device, take the measurement, and send the results to your healthcare provider or care team automatically. To take a measurement, slide the cuff onto your left arm with the air tube pointing towards your palm. Bring the lower edge of the cuff an inch above your elbow and align the artery symbol on the cuff with your artery. Then secure the cuff by tightening the Velcro band and making sure the white arrow at the top of the cuff stays within the range of the white line on the inside of the Velcro band. The cuff should not be too tight. You should be able to fit one finger between the cuff and your arm. To ensure the most accurate readings, it is important to follow these steps for optimal conditions. First, rest your arm at heart level. Next, sit up straight with proper posture. Make sure to keep your feet flat on the floor. Lastly, take a few minutes to relax and calm yourself before proceeding with the reading. Now, press your assigned user button. Your iBloodPressure Plus will turn on and automatically start the measurement process by smoothly inflating the cuff. The voice assist feature will start giving you guidance on taking your blood pressure. If the arm cuff is applied correctly, the screen will display OK below the diastolic number and will continue to take your reading. If adjustments are needed, No will be shown. Press the Set button once, readjust the cuff, and press your user button again to take a new reading. Repeat as necessary until the cuff is properly adjusted and OK appears on the screen. When your measurement is completed, the systolic, diastolic, and pulse rate will appear on the screen. You will see a colored blood pressure level indicator helping you interpret your measurement. The signal strength indicator will blink while the device is transmitting to your healthcare provider or care team. When it stops blinking, it means your data has been successfully transmitted. The device will automatically shut off when finished. If you see an error code on the screen, please refer to your user manual for more information. The iBloodPressure Plus is a cellular connected device that will automatically transmit your health data securely back to your healthcare provider or care team. You simply take your reading and you're done. There is no need for any additional steps or to manually track and log your blood pressure results. Now that you've set up and taken a successful reading, let's review some of the important indicators you'll see on your iBloodPressure Plus device. At the top of the screen, the selected user will be symbolized by a person with the number 1 or 2 on it. Remember to take measurements using your profile. The battery icon will indicate the charge level. The signal strength indicator are the bars which show your connectivity. The cuff detection will either say OK or No, alerting you if your cuff is placed correctly. The iBloodPressure Plus also has a voice-guided walkthrough feature. To customize the settings on your iBloodPressure Plus device, follow these steps. When the device is powered off, press and hold the Set button for 10 seconds. The symbol SP will appear on the screen, indicating that settings are now adjustable. To switch the voice feature on or off, press the User 2 button. Each press will toggle between off and on options. Once you've selected your desired voice setting, press the User 1 key to confirm and proceed to the next setting. Now, the symbol PA will appear on the screen, allowing you to adjust the measurement unit. To switch between the measurement units, press the User 2 key. On represents kPa and off represents mmHg. Press the User 1 key to confirm your selection. The device will automatically shut down after confirming the unit setting, saving your changes. Take quick, easy, and accurate blood pressure readings from the comfort of your home with the iBloodPressure Plus.